You guys, it is beyond way here, and so what today? Oh god, oh my gosh. Okay, so today we are going to be taking a fidget spinner and putting it over there, and we're gonna spin it very fast with this air thing. Yeah, my dad's gonna take it. Yesterday we did it and it broke. It is going so fast right now. Okay, so this thing just literally broke because of all the air pressure. That was so cool. Like, oh my gosh, we don't even know where the Baron went. That was so cool.
It didn't even blow up.
I mean, it blew the thing off, but...
But that comes off. That's weird.
Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching, and subscribe, like the video, comment, turn on your post notifications, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.